In today's data-driven world, businesses often struggle to extract meaningful insights from the wealth of information they possess. Reports, presentations, research papers, meeting notes, valuable knowledge is scattered across various documents and formats. This is where NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research assistant, steps in. A venture capital firm specializing in early-stage technology companies needs to make informed decisions about where to allocate capital. They have a mountain of data at their disposal. Market research reports on emerging technologies and industry trends, financial statements from numerous startups seeking funding, economic forecasts and analysis impacting the tech sector, and competitor portfolio assessments and funding strategies. But sifting through all of this information to pinpoint the most promising startups and identify potential risks is a daunting task. The team risks getting lost in the data, wasting valuable time, and potentially missing crucial insights. Furthermore, these documents might be scattered across different departments and platforms, hindering collaboration and creating information silos. This is where NotebookLM becomes invaluable. The team uploads all of their relevant documents into a shared NotebookLM notebook. This shared notebook is key because it allows everyone on the team to access and analyze the same information, fostering one single source of truth and breaking down those information silos. Now they can ask targeted questions like, what are the projected growth rates for the AI-powered healthcare sector? Or, what are the key risk factors associated with investing in this particular startup? They can analyze specific aspects and say things like, summarize the financial performance of startup X over the past year, focusing on user acquisition costs. And they can uncover hidden connections by saying, identify any correlations between early adoption rates and long-term success in this market segment. NotebookLM analyzes the uploaded documents and provides concise, insightful answers grounded in data. It can even generate different types of summaries highlighting key trends and potential investment opportunities. The result? The venture capital team quickly identifies a promising new investment opportunity in a startup developing cutting-edge, AI-driven medical diagnostics. The firm achieves significant gains and strengthens its reputation for making data-driven investment decisions. But more importantly, they've experienced the power of collaborative analysis and knowledge sharing, leading to faster decision-making and better investment outcomes. What critical business challenges are you facing? How can NotebookLM help you unlock the knowledge hidden within your data? Explore the possibilities and transform your workflows with the power of AI-driven research.